Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Fuentes Family channel, and in today's video I'm going to give you 10 reasons why I love the Philippines. So the first one is the reason why I love the Philippines, and this goes to everyone that loves Christmas. Whoever loves Christmas, they're going to love the Philippines because Christmas in the Philippines starts in September, October, November, and of course December. So they call them the Burr months in the Philippines. So I remember the first time my wife was putting up the Christmas tree the last week of August, and in the US that is still summertime. So imagine putting up the Christmas tree in summertime in the United States. So I saw my wife putting up the Christmas tree in the Philippines. My first Christmas actually in the Philippines, and I was looking at her like, is she going crazy? And then she told me, she said, no, the Christmas starts in September. And still, she was a week early because it was the last week of August. But yeah, I love it because it's happy. You know, who doesn't love Christmas? So you get to celebrate it for those 4 months. The second reason I love the Philippines is the weather. The average weather year-round in the Philippines is 78 degrees Fahrenheit. You don't have any snow, any ice. You do have your occasional typhoons, mudslides, earthquakes, but I'd rather take that over snow any day. Reason number 3 I love the Philippines is the beautiful scenery. I could look out my window in the Philippines and see cows, chickens, mountains, and it's just so beautiful. You know, it's nature at its finest. The fourth reason I love the Philippines is Filipinos always give you respect. They are very respectful people. So that's another reason why I love the Philippines. And the fifth reason I love the Philippines is customer service. And I actually have a story to share with you guys about customer service in the Philippines versus the United States of America. Because after being in the Philippines for 2 years and I finally went back home to the United States, I visited a Walmart. And when I was in there, I was looking for some lemons. So I asked the lady, excuse me, ma'am, do you know where's the lemons? And she looked at me, she says, it's right over there in the corner. What, are you blind? And I looked at her like, okay. Versus the Philippines, as soon as you walk in, hello sir, hello ma'am, how can I help you? Where's the lemons? Oh, over here sir, I'll come show you, come follow me. Anything else sir, you need this? Okay sir, have a great day. Never any attitudes or feeling like they're doing you a favor. It's never like that in the Philippines, as far as, you know, my experience goes. And the sixth reason I love the Philippines is Filipino food. Torta talong, which is fried eggplant. Ginataang calabasas, which is squash with coconut milk. And of course, last but not least, my favorite, tapsilog, which consists of beef tapa, garlic fried rice, and a fried egg. So delicious. The seventh reason I love the Philippines is because it's a happy place. A lot of people may not have everything they need or, you know, want in the Philippines, but guess what? They're still happy. And I kind of, it humbles me. It makes me appreciate the little things in life. I am happier over there. It's just a happier environment. If you've never traveled outside the country and you cannot compare between cultures, then you wouldn't really know, you know, unless you experience it yourself. So for me, actually experiencing the two cultures, for me, my opinion, I really love the Philippines because it makes me a happier person over there. The surroundings, you know, it all comes together, you know. And the eighth reason I love the Philippines is because it's a cheaper lifestyle compared to the Western life. In the Philippines, you could get yourself a 1-bedroom apartment for $200, $300, and it's a beautiful place, you know. Compared to the United States, especially the Northeast, you get yourself a 1-bedroom here is like $1,400, $1,500. So that's one of the reasons why I really love the Philippines as well. The ninth reason I love the Philippines is hospitality. And I told my wife this one day. I went to the supermarket and I asked the lady, excuse me ma'am, do you know where's the eggs? And she said, oh yeah, they're right in the corner there, I'll go help you. And she, you know, said, come follow me. She showed me the eggs, and guess what? I had a list. She took the list and started walking toward every item and helped me out with everything. It treated me with respect, sir, anything else you need, have a nice day. And it's just like, my wife was like, why they don't do that to me? And I told her it's hospitality. It's like if, you know, you visit somebody's house, they're the host. Of course, they're going to treat you with respect. They're going to give you what you need, water, food, entertainment. It's just the same thing as, you know, you're visiting another country. And that's what I love about the Philippines. And there was another one that my wife was surprised because one time we went over to the mall and there was a long line. And all of a sudden, one of the sales ladies came over and she said, sir, come with me. And I was like, uh-oh. So she took us to another register, which was downstairs, and there was only one person in line. And my wife was like, wow. And I was like, it's hospitality, and I love that. And the 10th reason I love the Philippines, it's where I found my wife, my happiness. If it wasn't for the Philippines, I wouldn't have my wife, my daughter, and my happiness. So I am very grateful to the Philippines for that. Thank you very much. Hi guys, I want to thank everyone for joining us here in today's video. If you guys have any questions, you can leave a comment down below. Don't be shy. We are here to help anyone with any questions. If you guys want to email us, you can reach us at thefuentesfamilychannel@gmail.com. And also, I want everyone to stay safe, and we're going to catch you guys in the next video. Peace.